Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. In this quick video, we will talk about how we can add note inside whole. And here I am talking about standard note. So let me quickly show you how you can do that because this video is going to be very short, guys. So let's say for example, you have this whole available in PTC Creo Parametric, and here you would like to add note that talk about the feature of this whole. So simply go here in Note tab and click on Add Note and then hit OK. And there we go, guys. Here we can see this annotation is now being added to this whole. And these notes are actually very helpful when we do drafting. And let's say you do not want or would like to see it here for the time being, then for sure you can go here in your graphics toolbar and simply disable this option which says annotation display. In this way, guys, we can create annotation at the same time we can also hide it. That's all, guys, from my side in this quick video. I hope that you find this video helpful, informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Creo Parametric series, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.